In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line thickness in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by selecting the polyline you want to edit. Click directly on the polyline so it highlights. Make sure you're actually selecting a polyline and not a collection of separate lines, because the method I'll show works specifically with polylines. If the object doesn't highlight as a single entity, you may need to join the segments into a polyline before proceeding, but that's outside the scope of this short demonstration. For now, just confirm the object behaves as one continuous polyline when selected. Next, bring up the Pedit command. Type peditiki at the command prompt and press Enter. When prompted, select the polyline you previously highlighted. Once Pedit is active for that object, type W for the width option and press Enter. This opens the width input mode where AutoCAD asks for the starting and ending widths, or a single width to apply uniformly. Typing W and pressing Enter is the simple key sequence that accesses the width settings without navigating menus, which is faster once you get used to it. Now set the width values. You'll be prompted to enter a starting width and then an ending width. If you want the entire polyline to have the same thickness, enter the same value for both prompts, or simply enter one value when asked for the global width and press. Enter if your version accepts a single value. If you prefer a tapered look, enter different numbers for the start and end to create a gradual change along the length. Remember that these widths use your current drawing units, so enter values that make sense for your model scale. After entering the values, press Enter to apply them and exit the width input. After you apply the new widths, take a moment to zoom in and visually confirm the change. The polyline should display the adjusted thickness immediately in model space or layout, depending on your display settings. If it doesn't look right, simply repeat the pedit and width steps and try different values until you get the desired appearance. With a little practice, adjusting line thickness this way becomes a quick and effective way to refine the look of your drawings.